Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your PIN is not being accepted on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. When you're trying to get into your device and your PIN doesn't work, first you want to make sure you are putting in the correct PIN. But if you really aren't, the first thing you may want to try is to simply restart your phone. To do so, you can normally press the power button and the volume up button to try and restart, but it won't let you restart it in this way without putting your PIN again. So you want to force restart by pressing and holding the power button. Just hold it, don't look at what's happening on the screen, just hold it until it turns completely off, and even then you should preferably still keep holding it until the Hello Moto logo shows up. Then you want to wait a bit for it to turn back on. Then once your phone turns back on, you can try putting your PIN back in, but if it still does not work, you might have to perform a factory reset. Normally you would enter safe mode, but on this phone it's impossible without entering your PIN, as you can see. So to perform a factory reset, do the force restart method first, wait until the logo shows up, and then immediately press the volume down button, as I'm going to show right now. And then just press the volume down button. It'll be now in the bootloader. Now use the volume down button to scroll down to recovery mode and use your power button to confirm. Then wait a bit for it to enter the no command window, where you can press the power button and then press the volume up button while holding the power button. Then use your volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, use your power button to confirm. Then scroll down to factory data reset again and use your power button to confirm again. Now your data has been wiped, and you're going to want to confirm reboot system now. If it's not selected for whatever reason, you can just scroll to it using volume buttons. Now wait for your system to turn back on. Then after waiting for a bit, you can go through the setup process. Just go through it as you would have normally. You'll just have to connect to a network, whereas in the first setup you could skip it. So just connect to a network and continue going through the setup, which at some steps it might take a while again. Then you can try verifying your PIN, but since it didn't recognize it before, I would, just to be sure, use the Google account instead, where you'll have to just sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this phone. Just put in your account details. Then once you've put in your account details, it's going to just check some things out, and then you can put them in again to actually sign in. Then just continue through the setup process. Just continue going through. Skip the things you don't want to do for now. You can set yourself a new PIN or a pattern or a password. Just set whatever you want. Just make sure you remember it. You can unlock with your fingerprints, or you can just skip it for now. You can copy apps and data. You can try restoring from another device that was linked with your Google account. Let's take the latest backup from this device. though you'll have to confirm the lock screen you had back then, or you have currently on the given device. Then you want to just continue with restoring it. If you want to, you can skip it if you don't. Just continue going through again. Pick your browser, pick your search engine. Continue through. Continue. Skip things you don't like. This may again take a few minutes. Then after waiting, you can continue through the setup process. Again, just read through those things and set whichever ones you like. Pick your navigation style, pick your theme. Set up parental controls if you want to. And then just go through with the rest of it. Now you can just skip installing new apps. And this is it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.